with this 2017 Chrysler 200, and it is amazing. You have leather heated seats, panoramic sunroof, remote start navigation, and the list goes on and on. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this gray exterior color. This has some amazing bronze accents throughout the entire vehicle. So you have that stripe going along your grille there. Then you have your projector beam headlamps with accent lamps below. And this has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. Then looking down at your wheels, super cool 19-inch alloy wheels in that amazing design and bronze. What? Yeah, start that over. Couldn't make my words come together. Not awake yet. Okay. And then looking down at your wheels, you have those amazing 19-inch alloy wheels and that bronze exterior effect. Then coming over to your side mirrors, they are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross path detection, so it will alert you to any vehicles in your blind spot. Okay, so looking at these front seats, super cool. You have your S embroidered there. Love all that yellow accent in the exposed stitching. They just look really sporty, and they are heated and ventilated, so best of all of the worlds here. You also have power adjustable settings on both seats. Then looking at your leather wrapped steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front with your media controls and paddle shifters on the back. Then looking over at your 8.4-inch touchscreen media center, you have your radio options here. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. You also have your media options here if you want to connect your phone, listen to your own music. And then here are all of your buttons for your heated and cooled seats and your heated steering wheel. Then Uconnect has other apps you can utilize as well on these pages. You can make it into a Wi-Fi hotspot, use Travel Link, all of that. Then you have your climate controls. They are dual, so you can have different settings on each side. And you have your navigation system. Super convenient to use. Then you have all of your phone settings here, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, make phone calls and text messages. Then down below you have all of your climate controls, radio controls, really easily accessible. Electronic parking brake, your shifter there, and then you have two cup holders. This does open up right there, and this slides back, so you have lots of room, along with two USB ports, an aux port, and a 12-volt. Then looking up, you have 911 assist, which is subscribable, and you have buttons for your panoramic sunroof. So I just love panoramic sunroofs, and the fact that they can put them in sedans like this just blows my mind. It's so amazing. And then making your way out, this has a sound system, and it is an Alpine sound system. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers. You can fold this down for a cup holder armrest. You also have that compartment right there, and you can fold this down so you can have access into the trunk. So making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps, 200S badging, and dual exhaust. This does have a power trunk and remote start on your key fob. And this also does have a backup camera in your media center and tons of room in this trunk. So overall, great vehicle. You have that amazing panoramic sunroof, those super cool seats. And if you want to see this Chrysler 200 or any of our other cars, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.